I'm gonna do a late unboxing of jewel orchids that I got from the Louisiana Orchid Connection. I had to attend judging education tonight, and so we just ended, and so now I can unbox my package, which arrived earlier today. So last weekend I was thinking that I was getting really tired of fighting the slugs in my jewel orchids. I keep repotting them and then slugs keep showing up, and I pondered whether or not I should just quit with my current ones and start all over, and that led me to looking at the Louisiana Orchid Connection website, where I saw the most amazing package of jewel orchids available. He was offering basically 10 different kinds, and they were all set up in little plastic cups, and it was just so cute. So I put in an order, and then about 2 hours after I put in my order, LA Orchid John, which is the owner, I think that's John, his name is John, the owner of Louisiana Orchid Connection, posted on Instagram basically a tray of jewel orchids, and I wondered if it was mine, and so I'm excited to find out if this box of orchids is what I saw on Instagram. It's taped shut. It is the whole tray. I did also get a glass that was over here of Lacote's Sanderiana. It's like a different variety. It's not the regular Lacote's. That's here, stuffed with cotton. So let's see. Oh, it's in a tray. Now let's see. This is what I saw on Instagram. Oh, Cupid. Oh, there we go. Oh, does this one fall over? Oh, yes. Oh, that's another one that tipped over. All right. Couple tipped over. Okay, I have to admit that I thought this was so adorable when I saw it online, because just how they were all sitting in the little holes was just really adorable. All right, so this is what I got. I am going to turn so you can look at it from above And now I'm going to compare it to that picture that I found on Instagram. So yes, I do think the picture on Instagram is this exact tray. It's pretty exciting to me because I've wondered all week. And I'm pretty excited to find out what's actually in this tray and I guess be attacked by my daughter's cat. This is what happens when I do my unboxings in her room. Let's see. So there's supposed to be 4 of each kind, and there's supposed to be 10 total of each. So this first one here is Anectochilus formosanus. And you guys all have to hear the loud purring of my daughter's cat, who's busily pawing my face. This is Luteochilus polys, the second one right here. Oh, this moss is tight, getting them in and out. Next to that is Anectochilus roxburghii. So I got one of these from Steve. He gifted me, but he pots them in tree fern, and I'm going to tell you that I've never been able to convert anything that has come in tree fern to anything else. And so when the roxburghii basically outgrew its pot and I tried to put it in a bigger pot, it died. Then next to that here, this light green, is a Macotes patola. So I had a whole flask of patola and they were doing great, and then the slugs got to them and ate the entire thing. And then this is Cystorchis, what can I pull this tag out? Cystorchis javanica. Let's have a close look. This is the first time I've had a Cystorchis javanica. Oh, that's a really interesting pattern, and I like how it's kind of like scalloped along the edge. Then next to that, I have a Macotes sanderiana. Yay! I should show everybody my sanderiana with it's still alive. It's not dead yet. I repotted it as soon as I saw the slug holes show up. But, you know, I never know if they got the roots, but I completely unpotted it, repotted it, washed it. And so, I don't know, here's hoping. Next to it, I have Goodyeara hispida. Look at that. Look at that pattern on that Goodyeara. And then next to that, that's one of the ones that had upside down itself accidentally, is a Anectochilus lineatus. And then finally, the last of the 10 is Dulcinea marmorata. So, oh, that's not a good Dulcinea to look at. Here, look at that Dulcinea. I love the patterns on Dulcinea marmorata. Look at this, look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah. And I hope, oh no, its little stem is all bent. I'll see if I can keep these scale-free and alive. Not scale-free, snail-free and alive. Sadly, I think that 2 of the Dulcinea marmorata snapped in transit, so you can see where it's broken right there. And this one, it's hard to see, but I think it's broken right there because it's really floppy. See? But right there, I think it broke at the junction. So I don't know if I should try to take off the tops and try to water root them, or, well, I guess this one, the top is basically already gone. So we'll see if we can water root and salvage them. I just wanted to finish up this video showing what I did with my new jewel orchids. One of the reasons I got the whole tray is because one tray like this will fit inside one of my large humidity domes, and then I've stuffed it inside an old fish tank. I've really found that the jewel orchids do best when they're basically in a container completely and covered. I think my house is just too dry that even if they're sitting in a little dish of water, but they're exposed to the air, they just tend to dry out. So wish me luck, hopefully no slugs, and I'll try to do an update on these in a few months.